much, Tor. Oh my God, I'm very tired now. Thank you, Poging Guapito. Grabe sa pangalan na. Siguro pogi ka nga. Tingin nga. What's a cute boy, a dark jacket, and a thick accent? Hello, Lord Z, Lord Patawad. Kapag ako'y nangangailangan. Hi, Aan. Kang Lord. Thank you, ganda. Thank you din. Ikaw ba yan nasa picture? Why are you laughing, Aki? Hi, Baldo. Hello. Oo. Wow, poging guwapito. How old are you? I think my hair is very smooth now. I don't know why. Follow me, everyone. Follow me. Hello, revenues. 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 Bird. Revenues. Revenues. Hi, Baldo. Follow her. I have her address too. Now! 24 na ganda. I see. Follow me, everyone. Please follow me. Follow me. Follow me. Why is my hair is very healthy now? Thank you, Aki. Oh my God, I'm 3-star now. Oh my God. Bagsak ka muna, te. Ang isnab nitong mga pumapasok. Apaka-isnab. Who's the cute boy? A dark jacket in a thick accent. Baliw. Hey, talk to me. Thank you for the follow. Revenues. I'm 19 years old. Very fresh. Very fresh. Thank you, Jun Ray. Kamusta? Taga-US ako. Wow, ngayon ka palang nag-reply ha. Revenues. Ngayon ka lang talaga nag-reply. You understand Tagalog? Bird? Revenues bird. Nakakain lang mag-kiss. Che! Bagsakan mo ako ng kiss, dali. Taga saan ka po, ganda? I'm from Bicol. Yes. Oh, I see. You are a Filipino or not? Ganda mo po, idol. Thank you. Who's the cute boy? Adore jacket in a thick accent. Mm, mm. Follow me, everyone. From Sorsogon. Shota. Tagalog ka pala. Ay, Bicol ka pala. Ano mo ako? Nasabutan mo ako. Nasabutan mo ako. Revenues, did you understand what am I talking? Is that from Bicol? I am from Bicol. Revenues. Nasabutan mo ko da eh. Ha? Aring ka mauli sa Sorsogon. Ah, you understand me? Okay. To Papa, you come back again. I think you're in love with me na. That's time. Hello, thank you for tapping tap everyone, and follow me. Follow me. Bro. Hi, hello. Oh my god, my hair is very healthy now. Why? Look at that, it's very healthy. Be back later. Okay to Papa. You take care. This is my nails. Get the ring finger. Char. Ako in love ako sa'yo, ganda. That's a cute boy. Adore jacket. Aki! You did not sleep yet? Hello? You making me want to move to the Philippines. Okay. Yes. What time you sleep, Aki? How can I sleep? I can see you. Oh my god, it's my fault. I'm sad. When I sleep, I can see. Yeah, you're right. But you should sleep if you want. That's fine to me. Girl, a boy jacket in a thick